agricultural industry has changed so much to effectively satisfy the world. We are so dependent on the natural environment, which causes sustainable agriculture to be crucial. The United States stopped sustainable agriculture during the 1900s to begin industrializing. With the increasing demand for food, the industry has become very wasteful and harmful towards the environment. Sustainable agriculture is the idea of satisfying society's food needs without harming the natural environment for later generations. New technologies have been invented in hopes of creating a more sustainable environment. In the recent years, sustainable agriculture has developed multiple advanced methods of farming that have been ultimately beneficial. The first idea of farming that has helped with sustainability is called hydroponics. This is a way of planting without soil and instead replacing it with nutrient-rich water. Through this advanced method of planting, it saves about 10% of the water usually used on regular land. There are various types of hydroponics. For example, one is called aeroponics. This method is really efficient because it provides more of the crop but takes less work. The aeroponics method directly mists the plant with a nutrient-rich water. Aquaponics is another way of farming sustainably because it recycles the fish feces to feed the plant. The nutrients from the fish waste gets recycled into fertilizing the plant. Not only do hydroponics benefit the environment, but they have been proved to be more effective than traditional planting methods. There are also multiple practices used in sustainable farming outside of hydroponics. Integrated pest management, also known as IPM, is a practice that is targeted on preventing insects from plants. Pests surrounding plants seems inevitable, and the process of getting them to stay away can be very damaging towards the environment. About 30 to 35% of pest damage can be avoided using the IPM method. The intention of this method is to make the environment around the crops unfavorable. One component to IPM is called biological control, and this uses the plant's natural enemies to reduce pest activity. Physical contraptions can also be utilized to block or kill the pests straight on. The most effective method is called chemical control, and this is where you use pesticides. Instead of using regular pesticides, you use a safer pesticide that has a milder effect on the environment. Increasing sustainable agriculture methods is extremely important because the industrial agriculture being used currently is only capable of producing mass amounts of food but harming the environment. The farming techniques used currently degrade the quality of the food and the environment. The foods produced from the not sustainable farms result in less nutrient-filled foods as well. So not only is the farming technique harming the environment but also humans. Through these advanced methods of sustainable farming, the environment will benefit dramatically.